finished carboxylic acids and finished alcohols. So what happens if we add carboxylic acids to alcohols? What will happen? A new organic compound will be created called esters, and we will be discussing esters in this video. So esters come from alcohol plus carboxylic. Give me ester. So what's special about ester? What's special about them?
That they have a good smell.
Okay, they have a good smell. They smell nice. They smell nice. Okay, what else? Therefore, they are used in perfumes, right?
Yes.
Used in perfumes. Okay. Also, fats and oils, natural fats and oils, are esters.
They
Okay.
Okay.
Natural fats and oils are when someone is fat. Okay. Well, someone is fat guy. So what does he? What can he do to lose weight?
Great. Exercise.
Stop eating. Stop eating. So when he stops eating, where does his body gets energy from?
His fats.
His fats. So fats and oils, or fats and oils too, are energy storing compounds. When someone's fat and stops eating, he survives. He lives.
Yes.
He lose weight. He lose weight, but by burning his fat. Okay. Very good. So let's dive deep in esters. So we want to create one of the very basic esters. So we will add ethanol plus ethanoic acid. This is an alcohol. This is an acid. What will that produce?
Ethyl ethanoate
Ethyl ethanoate.
plus water.
But by the way, Zico is not clever, but he read esters before me explaining it to him, so that's why he's answering very good. Good Zico, not bad. Ethyl ethanoate plus water. Okay, let's draw them. So can you draw ethanol? Okay, there's our hydrogens.
Yes.
Can you draw ethanoic acid? Okay, very good. This is ethanoic acid. So let me draw them in a smaller size. This is ethanol. Let me flip it, because this is how the reaction happens. So what happens? So this OH, okay, this OH combines with this hydrogen, and what happens? No, this is not correct. I don't think this is correct. I got messed up. 1 minute. Let me check the book. Yes. No. Yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. Ah.
Yes.
Yes or no. Oh, sorry. There's. Oh my god. This is an OH here and then OH here. Okay. So what happens? These combine. Give me water. And this oxygen links
With the carbon.
with the carbon. Let me get a different color. So the result is something like this. Let's see. Okay. Let it be in a different color. Okay, no problem. No, right here. There's no H's here. So, an important thing. When you draw an organic compound, ensure that each carbon has 4 bonds. Okay? So this is H. This is an ester called ethyl ethanoate. Okay, so basically 1 hydrogen from the OH combines with the other OH in the alcohol, and they give me water and ethyl ethanoate. So can we have another reaction? For example, propanol with methanoic acid. So propan 1-ol plus methanoic acid. So propanol is C. Here's an OH. That's the other are H's. Plus methanoic acid. It's basically very simple. Okay, what happens? These two bond together, give me water. And these two bond together, give me what? What will be the result of propanol and methanoic acid?
Propyl methanoate.
Propyl methanoate. Propyl. Let me draw it. Okay, there's a very tricky part here. So the structure formula. The structure formula. When you draw the structure formula, we actually draw the
Alcohol first.
No, structure formula. We draw the carboxylic acid first. So it's C. This is first. C O. Let me check. C H. Okay. C. Oh wait. C H C. Something. I think like it's okay. It's like that. C H C O. O C C H2 CH3. This is the acid part. This is the alcohol. Okay, but the tricky part here, this thing, COO, this is called the ester link. This is very important. This is what makes it special.
Okay.
COO, ester link. Okay, COO, ester link. What else? We didn't mention something very important here. In this reaction, ethanol plus ethanoic acid, it needs a catalyst. What is that catalyst? Few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay? Catalyst. So ethanol plus ethanoic acid with a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to give ethyl ethanoate. So the tricky part here, we naming. We put the alcohol first,
Then the carboxylic acid.
then the carboxylic acid.
But in the structural formula, the carboxylic acid is first.
Carboxylic acid first. How can we memorize this? Ethyl ethanoate. Ethanoate is the what?
Is the
Carboxylic acid. Okay? Ethyl
ethanoate.
ethanoate. This is the this is the carboxylic acid. This is the alcohol. So when we draw it, we will draw it. How can we draw it? We flip it. So we will draw ethanoic acid first. H3C C. Then I think, how can we draw it? Here it is. COO. Then let me draw it again clearly. CH3C and C. Have the ester link. Let me have it in another color. COO. Then we got the acyl, which is C. See how much? I think C and another CH3. It has here a CH2. Okay, this is the ester link. Clear?
Clear.
Oh, it's correct. Oh, yes, it's correct. Or we can make it easily CH2H5. COO. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, we finished esters. In the next video, we'll discuss the remaining two functional groups that we should know. They are very easy. We'll put it in just one video. But I hope you understood esters, and the esters are a homologous series of organic compounds. Okay, we're done.